I just made you understand that your desire is what's leading you to temptation. Evil desire, evil desire, evil desire, evil desire, evil desire, bad desire, bad desire, evil desire. You want to sleep with somebody's wife. You see that this person is married, but you like the woman, you are desiring her. What is your problem? She's married. This girl has a boyfriend. The relationship is serious. You are seeing it, but you still want to smash the girl. That's your evil desire. That's your evil desire. You see that this guy is your friend's boyfriend, though, but you still want the guy. That's your evil desire. It's your evil desire. You want iPhone 16 Pro Max so bad. You know you can't afford it, but you want to do hookup and gather the money to buy it. Your evil desire. Why? You want to impress somebody. That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. That's the point. What? Yeah, I just want you to round off. Thank you for bringing it back. So, some of the things that we're doing as young people are not things that we're supposed to be doing because our parents failed. They didn't provide for us. They didn't do what they're supposed to do. So we are now forced to do some of the things that we're doing. So please, in a very polite way, I'm saying this is why I always tell people, don't judge people. If you see girl, they do a young bar, not judge them. If you see girl, they do OS or low show, not judge them. If you see girl, they do, or boy, they do Yahoo, not judge them. Or you go shock you, say if you did that boy situation, you go do worse than what that boy they do. So all this unnecessary judging people up and down, you better respect yourself. Respect your wonderful grace self that God has given you. Do you understand? Don't judge. But as I see that when people abuse me, insult me online, I just like, at least if people see me enough to insult me, that means I'm something, I'm somebody. It's okay. I'm okay with that. Why am I not the one on the other side insulting somebody? At least I like the position I'm in, that I'm the one they're insulting. It's better that way. So then I also pray for them that God help them. They come up to the way God has saved me and helped me. So you don't judge people. Don't judge people. So now, what I want to say is this. To get out of hardship, one of the things you need to do is to develop yourself. It's not easy. It's hard work. But make up your mind to develop yourself. Like add skills, work on some things. You can, like as a woman, you can learn how to make hair. There are many things. I don't want to go in this teaching in this direction, right? What I'm just saying is that say no to bad things, focus on good things. It may take time, but it always pay off. Always pay off. So focus on good things, work on yourself. Then lastly, cut down on big man life. Your papa no be big man. Now you won't work hard to be big man. Now, oh yeah, as you work hard to be big man, I start from where you dey now. Why you want buy what you know if you afford? Drink garri if na garri if you afford, drink and well. Stay there. Yes, it takes the grace of God. It's the grace of God. It's the grace of God. Without the grace of God, nothing is happening. It's the grace of God. It's the grace of God. It's the grace of God. Now God, okay, food is ready. Okay, I'll come and eat now. Thank you so much. Thank God. Yeah, so that's all that I have to say about this. I've said so much, and this is like 30 minutes of talking. Thank you. This teaching was done on the 24th of May 2025, and my name is Raymond K. Monid. Have a great day.